So we've got some chicken here. I'm using chicken legs today. We're going to fry that with some lovely seasoning, and then we're going to make a really simple mushroom sauce. No flour. I'll show you how to do that. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to get started with our chicken. So in there I've got some oil, maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use olive oil if you want. And we're going to drop in our chicken. I'm using chicken legs. The skin is on and the bone is in. And we're going to just hit that with some black pepper and salt. Now the heat's on. I've just put it on, but I've put it on below medium. We don't want to cook this too fast. So I'm going to let these go for, it's going to be about 8 or 9 minutes for this size. Now if you want, you could use chicken thighs or something like that. But yeah, I'm going to be flipping that over a few times, about 8 or 9 minutes. So look, it's really quite important to do this nice low and slow, because obviously we've got a bone in there and things like that. And we want this chicken to be fully cooked. Sometimes you might see me cook this and we're going to add it to a tomato sauce and it's going to cook in the sauce. But with this one we're making a cream sauce, so it's not going to be in the sauce very long. So just make sure that you cook it low, slow. I mean, this is looking absolutely beautiful. We're only like 2 or 3 minutes away. Okay, so off goes the heat. I'm really happy with that chicken. Like I say, make sure it's cooked all the way through. We're going to set that aside. And you see this oil here we've got some lovely flavors in there. We're going to use that, but we're going to reduce it down by 50%. Okay, so look, there's the chicken, beautiful. Just set that aside. We're going to make this really simple sauce now. I've got here about a cup of mushrooms that I've cut quite small. I've got a cup of cream. Now this cream is a thick cooking cream. It will work with any cream you use, so it can be thick or thin. It will work exactly the same, so don't worry about that. A couple of tablespoons of onion, about a tablespoon of chopped parsley, 3 teaspoons of garlic, couple of tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of thyme, and then here I've got let's say 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, like a sort of Philadelphia. Okay, let's get back to the cooker. So I've reduced that oil down by 50%. Now if you want, you can change it and then we can go with butter, but I'm just going to go just like this. We're just going to drop in that little bit of onion, don't need too much. And the garlic, maybe 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, that is. And again, we're on a kind of fairly low heat. It's not simmer, but it's, it's below medium. We're going to go just for 2 minutes. Then what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our mushrooms. Now, like I said, it's like a cup of mushrooms or so, regular white mushrooms. Cut nice and small, and again about 3 minutes or so, stirring pretty much all of the time. Okay, a little bit of pepper, and don't forget we've got lots of salt and pepper in that oil already, so I'm not going to go crazy, just a little bit. Then the cream. Like I say, I'm using a thick cooking cream. You can use any cream you want, anything works, thick or thin. Probably not ice cream, you know what I mean. Let's work that in and it will smooth out and thin out a little bit as the heat goes through it. We're going to add that 1 or 2 tablespoons of the Philadelphia cheese, the Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of thyme. Like I said, I'm using thyme, but you could use basil, oregano, tarragon, up to you. So you can see we're on a fairly low heat. 4 minutes, keep it moving. Beautiful. Fabulous stuff. That's a really beautiful, no flour mushroom sauce. What we're going to do is we're going to get our chicken, we're going to pop it back in. a little bit of parsley, and also I'm going to save some back for the top, just little bits for decoration. And then just about another 3 or 4 minutes to get that sauce all over our chicken. Okay, and there you go, that is beautiful, really, really delicate, lovely sauce, nice and creamy, bit of garlic in there. Chicken, of course, will be perfect. That's great with some pasta or something like that. That's up to you. You can have some mashed potatoes with it maybe. But yeah, that's it. Well done, everyone. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.